How to unhide apps from home screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to unhide the apps from home screen, firstly understand how the app has been hidden. So a lot of times the apps are hidden in a folder like this over here as you can see on the screen. So a lot of times the folders get into one category over here, and what you can simply do is just tap or make a long press on the application and drag it and keep it at the home screen. And there you go. You have unhide the app over here and you can easily see the app on the home screen. Next, what you can do is simply tap on the settings of your device, and as you tap on settings of your device, scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps, and as you tap on manage apps, you'll be able to see different apps that you have on your device. So a lot of times the app that has been hidden on your home screen can be seen in this app list that comes over here. And you'll be able to unhide the app from the home screen from here as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.